How do we prepare young minds to communicate confidently and think critically in today's world? Imagine a classroom where students don't just learn English, but also unlearn outdated methods and relearn with modern approaches. Introducing the English Cruise, which fulfills the twin goals of NCF 2023 and NEP 2020, preparing students of grade 1 to 8 to not just learn but think and apply English in everyday life. Let's discover what makes this series unique. Here we go jumpstarts each unit with engaging warm-up exercises, setting the tone for an exciting lesson. About the passage prompts students to think beyond the text, fostering deeper comprehension. Do you know? Surprises students with interesting facts related to each lesson's theme. Think and Discuss encourages critical thinking and gives opportunities for personalization. Real Life Connect links classroom learning to real-world experiences for more meaningful lessons. Work with Words provides a variety of exercises that help students build and expand their vocabulary. Scaffolding in Writing tasks empowers students to confidently express themselves in English, making second language learning easier and more structured. Write inspires students to develop their writing skills with formal, creative, and descriptive tasks. Values and Life Skills fosters social and emotional awareness along with critical and creative thinking. Art Connect lets students express language themes creatively through different art forms. Listen and Speak hones students' oral and oral abilities, building their confidence in communication. Let's Connect links language with other subjects, fostering interdisciplinary learning. Spell Well emphasizes spelling, punctuation, and dictionary skills, turning accuracy into a habit. Along with course books, your students will also get access to literature readers and workbooks. Dive into the magical world of literature with literature readers, where imagination, learning, and creativity come together to shape young minds. Workbooks provide essential practice, strengthening memory, promoting automatization, and enhancing productive skills. With the English Cruise, an integrated skill course designed to meet the evolving linguistic and communicative needs of 21st century learners, empower them with skills that go beyond the classroom. Available for classes 1 to 8. Order your copy now.